What do you do after you buy a used iPhone? And let me guide you through all of the things. So let's get started. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you buy the used iPhone. If you bought it online, like through eBay, then of course you want to make sure that it is the correct model and that all of the details that were pertaining to the phone are actually correct, like the storage, and make sure that all of the things work. Like if the ad or the eBay profile said that the charger is included, of course make sure that all of that is part of the package. But then when you turn on the iPhone, you need to pay attention to what happens, because most likely the phone will be reset to the state that it's going to say like hello, and you have to set it up like a brand new phone. That is the most likely scenario. So if that in that case, you basically just sign in with your Apple account and go through the setup process, no problem, because the phone has been cleared empty. But in some cases it might happen that you can open up the iPhone and it's going to be like on the home screen right away. If that is the case, it might still be linked to someone else, or it might not be fully erased. So what I would do is that I would go to the settings, open up the general and go to the transfer and reset, and I would tap on the erase all content and the settings just to make sure that the phone gets like completely cleared out, and then I can start fresh, right? So that is something which I would personally do to make sure that I start, as I said, from the scratch and can just sign in to my Apple account. But of course, once you get inside and once you set it up, one more thing I would recommend you to do is to download the iPhone Diagnostics app. So that is a very useful tool. You can get it for free from the App Store. And this is basically an app which lets you test out all of the possible features of the phone, right? So it gives you the ability to basically test out the touch screen and the digitizer, multi-touch, and all of the other features of the phone. And you just want to make sure that everything works the way that it should, because, at the end of the day, we're buying a used phone. So there are plenty of things which could go wrong. But yeah, let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for more tips and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later.